Hey, I just wanted to show you guys this 5-pack of bracelets and how they looked on. These are gorgeous. They all clearly go together. They could be worn alone. You could wear 2 of them, 3 of them. You could wear them depending on your mood that day. On different wrists. I feel like these would also potentially fit your ankle as well, but don't quote me on that. I did not fully tighten these just for the purpose of this video, but these are fully adjustable. I have pretty small wrists. I have them on the largest size here right now just for ease of my life, but they do go really small as well. So we have this one here with the beautiful bead detailing. We have the twisted one, the paper clip, a rope, and this one as well, which is super gorgeous. But like I said, you could wear these all together. And it would kind of look like that as it's going down on your wrist. You could wear a couple of them, sort of up to you. But it's nice with this variety pack that you get different ones